Hello, this is Bwana from Bwana.tv, and I'm going to discuss a big story which hit the web about a week ago. I think it was less than a week ago, about Microsoft putting in a $44.6 billion bid to buy out Yahoo.com. This is a huge merger that has a lot of implications surrounding it, and probably has Google shaking in their boots, because Microsoft put out a press release basically stating that this is a merger to combat the Googleplex, the Google mega monster that nobody seems to be able to stop. And Google is borderlining on a monopoly on the search industry as well as the advertising industry. And Microsoft says, hey, if you combine Microsoft and Yahoo, we'll have maybe about 30-something%, maybe 20 or 30% to give Google some decent competition. Google even came back and put out like a manifesto, or basically smashing this deal, saying Microsoft really shouldn't do this and Microsoft is wrong. Microsoft has a track record of proprietary stuff and a lot of closed systems, and just bad practices in general. And I looked at it kind of as a knee-jerk reaction from Google. I think they really didn't like this deal because it's gonna give them some fierce competition, because Yahoo by themselves they can handle, although it takes both hands. Microsoft they can handle, it's gonna take a hand and a half, but Microsoft and Yahoo together, they're gonna be taking some hits and throwing some at the same time. So it's gonna be a fierce competition. There's also a story that came out which is related, and I find kind of funny, is that Microsoft may have to borrow money in order to do this deal. So this is serious. Microsoft is not just doing this just to do it. I mean, Microsoft has a lot of capital. They have a lot of market share, and if they got to borrow money to buy somebody out, to compete with somebody else, they're taking it very seriously. And I kind of thought about it. I'm like, wow, this was kind of timed appropriately with Bill Gates stepping down, and and now Microsoft's buying Yahoo. So you got to wonder if he didn't want to go with that. And now that Ballmer doesn't have Gates in his way, no, I'm just joking. That's pure speculation. There is no proof of that. But $44.6 billion bid. Yahoo hasn't accepted the bid. In fact, people on the inside, according to TechCrunch, are stating that Yahoo is looking for alternate bidders just to squash this deal. They don't want this deal to go through, so they're looking at people, even looking at Apple, to buy them out, and other corporations to counter this bid, so they can for whatever business reasons. They just don't. I don't think they want to go to Microsoft. But this, folks, seems like to me as a good old-fashioned hostile takeover. If you've seen them on TV, you've heard about them, this is a hostile takeover, because word on the street is that Microsoft gave Yahoo 2 days to respond to the initial bid, and if they didn't, they would go public with the bid, and that seems like that's what happened. So here we go, Yahoo Soft. We don't know if it's going to form. We don't know if they're going to form Voltron to fight the evil Google tyrant, but we'll see. Alright, this is Bwana from Bwana.tv saying, Micro you.